This is not just a Land Cruiser. This is dominance refined. The 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser KHANN Edition doesn't arrive quietly. It announces itself. The front hits you first, bold and intimidating, with the KHANN grille standing proud like a badge of authority. The redesigned bumper, aggressive intakes, and sharp detailing give it a look that's both luxurious and fearless. Every line across the body feels intentional, carved with strength, flowing from front to rear with a sense of unstoppable momentum. Those wide arches embrace the custom wheels, planted and powerful, giving the SUV a stance that looks ready to conquer cities or mountains without hesitation. The paint finish is deep and rich, reflecting light with a premium glow, while the rear completes the transformation, muscular, confident, and unmistakably KHANN. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes instantly. This is where power meets indulgence. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, supportive yet plush, inviting you to settle in and take control. Every surface feels solid, crafted, and refined. The dashboard stretches out with purpose, clean and commanding, putting everything exactly where your hands and eyes expect it. The infotainment system lights up seamlessly, sharp and responsive, connecting you effortlessly while keeping the focus on the drive. Buttons and controls feel reassuring, mechanical, and precise, built to last, built to perform. Behind the wheel, you feel the legacy. The Land Cruiser's legendary capability pulses beneath you, smooth yet commanding, delivering confidence with every press of the throttle. This machine doesn't rush. It dominates calmly. Whether cruising smoothly, tackling the toughest terrain, it feels unbreakable, composed, and luxurious all at once. The 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser KHANN Edition isn't just transportation. It's a statement of power, status, and experience. You don't just drive it, you command it.